Hello everyone, this is Larry Carson along with Carl Anderson. Today we're going to show you a 2020 Boston Whaler 190 Montauk. This particular boat was ordered in a full hull, light blue hull color. The trailer that is underneath it is the standard trailer with a breakaway tongue, tandem axles, torsion axles as well, which is great for saltwater. We ordered the optional chrome rub rail, as you can see here, and the chrome graphics, which look really good against this light blue hull color. And when you come around the back, 150 four-stroke Mercury engine. We did order the teak accents, even on the swim platform, and we have a deep three-step ladder, which is extremely easy to put back away when you're done. Now let's look at the inside of the boat. Okay, everyone, now here's the interior of the 2020 Boston Whaler 190 Montauk. As you see right here at the helm, we have the Ray Marine GPS and depth sounder combination, as well as a Fusion Bluetooth stereo system and all of your gauges here. We have multiple cup holders and plugs for all of your electronic devices in a secure area that doesn't allow them to slide off the dash. Now, as we transition forward in the boat, we ordered this boat without the high bow rail. However, you do still have the lower bow rails here for security and a bow cushion to make sure that when you're out on a day of fun, that you'll have a comfortable place to sit. Plenty of room here, along with the cooler and backrest on the console here. Trolling motor panel, before I leave the front of the boat, we did order this with a trolling motor panel, as well as the solid stainless bow guide, anchor line guide, I should say, and plenty of room to even stand up on the nose of the boat for fishing. Plenty of room to walk around on this boat. It even has a separate stereo control right here in the front of the boat. Boat has a powder-coated T-top, along with a regular white light, and has the nighttime map light as well. Now we ordered this with the teak accents, which just add a nice touch to the boat. Helm seat has a reversible backrest, so if you want to stand and drive, you move it forward, as Carl is showing us here, and it makes a great leaning post. Or you can push it further forward to give you plenty of room to sit and face the aft end of the boat when you're fishing, as well as there was a live well underneath there. But there's 4 different positions for this seat, so it can make it comfortable for about anyone. This boat also has the optional back corner seats, but the backrest can be easily removed, so if you're trying to strip the boat down somewhat for fishing and don't need all the extra seating, you can take it out very easily and stow it away. We did order the high back rail on the side here. Really does not get in the way for any fishing, but it just gives you an additional measure of security. Rocket launchers on the back of the T-top as well. And when you remove those backrests, you'd end up with 4 rod holders across the back. The engine power is a Mercury 154 stroke. It pushes this boat very well. And with a 60-gallon fuel capacity, you have a lot of range with this particular boat. One thing I did forget up front, you have a large storage locker here that can be used as a fish box. It drains directly overboard very easily. No tight corners to have to worry about cleaning, just easy maintenance. And there's another anchor locker forward, just under the forward cushion. And that concludes our walkthrough today on the 2020 Boston Whaler 190 Montauk. I'm Larry Carson along with Carl Anderson, and please check our website out at MarineMax.com. Our phone number is 843-747-1889. Thanks, and have a great day.